Hello everyone, this is Linda. It's hot outside, y'all. I've been running out and running back in, and now it's overcast a little bit. But I did go out and harvest some Oriental Wonder Beans this morning. Well, listen guys, first I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. It is Thursday morning. Yeah, it's Thursday morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm having a good day today. Yeah, so later on today, I'm going to be hanging out with Jody. We need to go pick up a couple things, and I'll bring you guys with us. Listen, there's always something good and funny that happens when I'm with Jody, right? But anyway, guys, I hope you all having a wonderful day. I'm going to try to get back in the garden again. I'm going to drop some potatoes, some more white potatoes, and some more green beans. That's what I want to drop here. I will try to get them in here today. Yeah. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! Let's go. They only have, I think I have about 4 or 5 plants of these Wonder Beans. Yeah, oh, there we go. Get away from me. Get. There's more coming here. It's an eggplant. An eggplant plant. Oh, I see another one on the other side. There it is right there. I gotta go over and get it. Got it. But this is my dilemma. Flowers growing everywhere. All right, I got her. Beans, 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 beans. All right. Hey y'all, so I'm doing my 5 minutes out here. I made some tea from lemongrass, lemon balm, lemon verbena, every piece of lemon I have out here, and I made some tea with it this morning, iced tea. And y'all know it's so good, but so I'm coming out here because I want to show you all this. So, yep. I got it from Amazon. Yeah, it was sent to me a couple of days ago. I didn't know it was here. My son kind of put all the packages in my garage. But I want to thank my nephew and my niece, Chris and Cheryl, over there at Back to Our Roots Homestead. You know, we were just talking about these holes I have, and one of them burst, and here it is, y'all. Here it is. It's an awesome hose, but let me share. So this is it here. It's connected. I connected already. I watered the garden with it this morning. Now, of course, you all seen my nozzle before. I bought this from Lowe's or one of them stores. But even with this, it came with a nozzle. So I'm going to try it today. Just on one or two of the plants. It looks really, really good. But anyway, I just wanted to put this on here and say thank you so much to Chris and Cheryl. They always thinking about me. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you, babies. Thank you so much. And yep, it's an awesome hose. It's 100 feet, I think it is. It's really, really nice. And it kind of shrinks back when you turn the water off. So it's really expandable. That's what it says. Expandable garden hose. Really cool. So, thank you so much. Thank you, baby. So I'm just gonna get out of this weather because I come out here for about 5 to 10 minutes and check on everything, and then I go back in. I did, as you all seen, I did harvest some vegetables, and I'm gonna eat that for lunch today. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. But anyway, I will see you all when Jody and I hook up. I'm waiting for that too. All right, guys. Thank you, Chris and Cheryl. I got it. All right, guys. So I just came back. I'm sorry I did not bring you all in. It was just too hectic. Of course, I stopped at the Dollar Tree and I got a lot of goodies. This is just some things that I buy every month for myself. And I throw the old ones away. Some of them I do. Some of them I keep, I purchased me some more coffee and chicory. I like this, of course. Purchased some lemons, some little cuties, because I like them. Some, this is chicken thighs and a chicken breast. And tomorrow, I got to make some broccoli rice for my sister. She asked for these shrimp here, so I'm going to put some of this in her broccoli rice that I'm going to cook for her tomorrow and bring it to her house for her. Yeah. I also purchased me some cheese and margarine. I stopped at the Dollar Tree and I got these. I have a lot of them. I put grits, flour, rice. Yeah. And of course, y'all see that, right? So this is the bottle I'm going to finish, and that's what's in it. But that's my fresh bottle. And of course, I wanted to try this one. This is the one you all been saying, Miss Linda, you need to try it. I got it home, y'all, so we're going to try that. Maybe I'll pop the cap on it on Tuesday's live. We'll see. I'll wait for Tuesday, and we'll do it then. But anyway, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator because I like it cold, y'all. I like it cold. Yeah. But anyway, I did purchase a lot of more stuff. That's it there. But we ain't doing all that, okay? No, we ain't doing that. But it's just a lot of things that I need for just me. Just me. All right, guys. It's still warm out here, but I'm feeling fine. It's been a wonderful day. Wonderful day. And so I'm just going to get in here and chill out for a little while. So, of course, before I go in, I want to check my my figs. And this one, y'all, look at that. That is a LSU Gold fig. Look how fat she is. And she's soft. But I'm looking for her to droop, but she better come on droop. Let me hide her, get her all covered up. Yeah, but a lot of them is really getting there. But this one is turning, so that is really cool. So if you don't mind, little brother, may I please get some of this right here? But in order for me to do that, you gotta move. No? Come on, man, move. Come on, man, move. It's just water, soap water, y'all. That's all it is, soap and water. Oh boy, you want to take over, right? Yeah. All right, guys, so this is my lunch for the day. This is one whole tomato. And all I have on is just salt and pepper, that's all. And all the vegetables, I harvest this morning. I have a couple of slices of roasted turkey in there. And the beets, man. The beets. Some grapes right here. Alright. I'm gonna go eat. I need the energy, y'all. And of course, y'all know. And while I'm out, I'm gonna get this other one everybody was telling me about in the black box. I'll pick it up. But I'm gonna get another one of these too. Guava family. Ooh. All right, y'all. Let me go and get my energy. Later on.